1,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later. Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later. 1 eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later. 3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later. Many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow for sure. Eventually. 12 o'clock midnight. 1 hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later. 2 hours later. 8:01 p.m. The next day. Later. 20 minutes.
Hello everyone, my name is Rian April Putra Mangulu. Today I will present my final exam project for English 3, which is divided into two parts, non-clauses and a summary of my smart device project. First, let's look at part A. Unknown clauses. A noun clause is a dependent clause that acts as a noun. It can function as a subject, an object, or a complement in sentence. This structure is very useful for explaining technical details in informatic engineering. Okay. Next, I have prepared 10 examples of noun clause related to our major. First, what? I understand what a subnet mask does. Who? The admin knows who access the database. Whom? You should decide whom you grant access to. Where? This shows where we store the backup data. When? The log show when the cyber attack start. Next, why? This is why we need to encrypt our files. Which I'm not sure which OS is best for programming. Whose? Can you identify whose device is connected? How? This explains how IoT optimizes water usage. If or whether I need to check if the network is stable. Okay, next, let's move to part B. A summary of my smart device project, IoT-based automatic plant watering. We develop this because manual watering is often time-consuming, wastes water, and leads to poor plant growth. Okay, next, the system is a smart irrigation solution. The system is a smart irrigation solution. It uses several components like a soil moisture sensor, a microcontroller, and a water pump. When the sensor detects dry soil, the data is sent to the controller and the pump turns on off automatically. User can also monitor it via a mobile application. Last one, we go to conclusion. In conclusion, this device provides an efficient and smart solution. It improves plant care and ensures the plants receive the right amount of water automatically. That's all for my presentation today. Thank you for your attention and See you next time.